Hey everyone, welcome back to Dad's Backyard Blueprint. These plants here are getting way too much sun. It's also well over 100 degrees. So we need to build a shade. We're going to build it using a pallet, some PVC, some connectors, and a nice shade over the top. Maybe some zip ties too. Let's go. Pallets could be really good for growing really anything in a pot. It raises it off the ground, reduces the amount of bugs that get in, and any disease that could come from the ground. Also, they're really easy to drill into for support structures with PVC or any other strong material that will hold the structure. So, if you're on a budget, I would recommend using pallets. And if you don't want to build a garden box or anything, or if you don't have space for a garden box, although I'd argue that if you have enough space for pallets, you have enough space for a garden box. Not everyone wants to build one. Pallets are also portable. You can move them. Usually garden boxes, if you build them into the ground, they're going to be there for a long time.